My husband and I have been in this house since 2011, so we have enjoyed 14 years in Woodstock. And it wasn't until September when my closet collapsed that I thought, who am I going to call? Who am I going to try first? Artisan was top of mind.
When I walk into someone's home, I really pay very close attention to the home aesthetics, and that really helps me kind of craft my vision for their closet.
Once Jessica and I were in the closet together, I talked about my vision. I talked about my pain points. She really listened to concerns to make things work and make things fit in a space where they haven't been before.
The word custom for us means it's going to be custom for you. What we do at Artisan is we enter a space, and that's the very first thing we do. We take inventory of their items.
Once Jessica gave me a proposal, it was later that same day, and the neatest thing was the 3D imaging. How cool the rendering is of what my closet's really gonna look like.
Once Ashley approved the designs and everything was buttoned up, the project then moves to our engineering department. From the engineering department, it goes into our production department, and then the production department, of course, hands it over to our installers. Installation is done in one day, particularly for Ashley's job.
It's going to be glorious putting everything back in, and there's now going to be an assigned place for all of my items. Installation day, I was pretty impressed the way Artisan came in and just paraded the parts that were already pre-made and custom cast for the closet, and then just getting to the work right away.
Because everybody is here in Marietta, our shop and our installers, it makes installation day a lot smoother.
The size of my closet, they had the job done in just under 3.5 hours.
When Ashley opened the door, I was a little anxious to see what she was going to think.
Oh my gosh, look at all this space. It was better than I expected. It was just bigger, it was clean. I would definitely recommend Artisan to all of my friends. The organization and having some zen in my home, my life is organized.